Hey, what's up, everybody? We are back, your favorite two creative YouTubers, and y'all, we had a we had a time. I know I took a little breaky break, but as y'all can see, look, my daughter's recital. We had things come up, so I had to, celebrate life. 4th of July just passed. Today is actually my daughter's birthday, and I am on here talking to y'all and dropping a video for y'all. So y'all should forgive me and know that life was lifing. But I am back, y'all, to show you this cute stone gift that I got for my Mother's Day that just passed, and I could not wait to make it with my kids. And I'm gonna tell you guys whether it's worth a buy and worth a try, or if it's leave it on the shelf. You know what I'm saying? All right, let's just jump right into this. Thank you guys for checking out my review. So we're gonna go ahead and get this instructions. You're gonna need some bowls. You're gonna need something to mix the bowls with. You're gonna need 1 cup. You'll need some water, room temperature water. They said is best. And then we're gonna go ahead and start by making this mold right here. Okay, so we're gonna open the box. We're gonna take out the contents. Let's look at the contents real quick. All right, so they give you 4 of the mixing stone. That's it, 4 packages, so you can make 4 stones. You get a mold. It comes with 2 clear gloves. It comes with like some decorations like that. It comes with some jewels. You get popsicle sticks, some stickers for the glue. This paint is nice. It's really good paint quality. I like it. And then get a mask. So you're gonna start by putting this mask on because it's very dusty. They don't want you to breathe in the the dust from the stones. So go ahead and stick this on your face. It's it's like a COVID mask. You just want to pinch the nose bridge right there, and you are ready to go. My daughter is going to wear her COVID mask. We just want to keep the the dust particles. And she has some gloves. So these are the kid gloves we use. Got them from Amazon. I can link them below for y'all. So start by putting 1 cup of water. We're going to start with the water first because we don't want the mix to like stick to the bottom of the bowl. So now that there's water there, we cut this. My daughter's going to be my mixer. I'm just going to like shift everything inside and just let her continue to be our mixer. Stir it, almost done. So we don't need the rest of this. I like the consistency. All right, so you keep stirring. It's almost to the point. That's good. And this is the consistency you want, like pancake batter consistency. So like just take it out and like test it. Like so if it drips like this, like that's like pancake, batter. So once it drips like that, it is ready to go in the mold. Real quick, I did not know how to do these. I was trying to guess, so I took some jewels and I put them in the bottom of the pan because I thought, oh, if I put the batter in, the jewels are gonna dry at the top of the brick. So we're just trying it because it doesn't tell you how to do it. Then we are like, oh, let's try these two. Yeah, it was don't do this. it ended up being a flop. It's somewhere within the brick, but you can't see it. So we trying. All right, so you got to let this dry for at least 8 hours. I'm going to let it dry. We're going to let it dry for a whole day so it can be ready. You see how we're tapping it? We're just tapping it to see if there's any bubbles, but there's no bubbles. We made this a nice pour, so we're just going to leave it here and we'll come back tomorrow. Okay. Oh, and then those are those jewels. They're popping up to the front. Like I told y'all, it was a fluke. But yeah, if you want to put jewels in, now's the time to do it. And you put it on the top of this. This is how you do the jewels, but we didn't. All right. So it's the next day and let's check it. Very done. Very hard. So the way you get it out of the mold, right? You're just going to flip it over. Like, you see, it's very hard. So flip it over and you're just going to take your thumbs and apply pressure downwards until it pops out. So like this, and then just, stick your hands on the outside and you're going to push down until it pops on out.
That's good.
And beautiful. I love this mold. This thing turned out perfectly. Perfect like consistency. It's kind of cold to the feel if you were to feel this, but it's like perfect. So we can do whatever we want with these. Of course, my kids want to paint, so I'm going to let them paint. This paint quality is nice, but don't let them mix it, please. So they're going to start out and they're going to work together. And this is what they came up with. So this is going to be nice. We're going to give this to like a grandparent. I'm going to let them go ahead and put stickers on it. But while that's drying, look, we got another one making, its way. And the last thing I'm going to leave y'all with is if you want to do the jewels, this is the right way to do it. As soon as you pour it in the mold and it hardens like for 5 minutes, then go ahead and put those jewels on there and then let it set with the jewels. And when you're done, it dries. You can decorate it with stickers. These are how ours turned out. So I would definitely recommend this set. This is an easy set. It's fun to use. You can use it in many different ways that we haven't even explored all the options. But yeah, I would say I recommend this. I don't know how much it costs, but I know it's sold in Walmart on one of those end caps, probably no more than $10, but I think this would be a great project for the summer. Brighten up those gardens, y'all. Would love to give a shout out to a school that I have been working with this entire summer, Friendship Day School. Thank y'all, 4th graders, for having me. I enjoyed them all last week. We did some crafts, we read some books, we created some things, we shared, and they just did a fantastic job. Such a creative, artistic group of kids. So yes, I am spending most of my summers during the day at Friendship, and I am reading and crafting, and I'm the activity author over there. So as promised, I did want to shout them out and show their coloring sheets because I told them I would. So look at these cute coloring sheets that they did.